Hello awesome people, my name is Anand and welcome to my another Kotlin tutorial. In this video, I am going to give you a very basic overview of our first Kotlin application Hello World. So without any further delay, let's start. Start IntelliJ IDEA and open our first Kotlin application Hello World, which we have already created in our last video. If you haven't created the application yet, you can download it from my GitHub account using the link given below. Once you open the project, you will see something like this. If you remember, in my last video we created app.kt file. Inside this app.kt file, you will see some code like this. Now let's try to understand what it is. In Kotlin, if you want to define any function, you have to use fun keyword. So the general syntax to define any function will be like this. First type the fun keyword, then the name of function, then start and end parenthesis. Inside parenthesis, you have to declare parameters. To declare a parameter, first you write the name of parameter, then colon, and after that you have to declare the type of parameter. If there are multiple parameters, then put the comma and then declare the next parameter in the same way we declared first one. Then start and end the body of function with curly braces. So this is the general syntax of a function in Kotlin programming language. In our case, we have defined function main, which is taking one parameter. Here parameter name is args and parameter type is array list of a string. If you have experience of Java programming language, then you will notice that this main function is very similar to the main function of Java programming language. This main function is the entry point for the application. It means main is the function where our program will start executing. In other words, main function is the starting point for our Kotlin application. Now we want to print hello world message to console. To do that, Kotlin provides a function called println. Kotlin has several overloaded versions of this println function which can take strings, integers, doubles, booleans, etc. as an argument. Since we want to print hello world, so we will pass a string argument hello world. Now our code is complete. There are few things which I would like you to pay close attention. Number one is there is no semicolon at the end of line. In Kotlin, it's not mandatory. If you want, you can use semicolon to end the syntax, but Kotlin will give you warning that it's a redundant semicolon, because it's not mandatory. Second important point, if you have any prior experience of Java programming language, you will notice that here we didn't created any class to print hello world. In Java, you cannot do that. Without class, you cannot define any method in Java, but in Kotlin, it's perfectly fine to define method without any class. I know now you will ask, is Kotlin an object-oriented language or functional? Answer is both. Kotlin has object-oriented and functional both kinds of constructs. You can use either object-oriented constructs or functional constructs, or you can mix both. Here Kotlin gives you freedom to write the code in any style you want. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Till then, keep learning and have a nice day.